Hi friends, welcome to our channel Stock Informer. Let's dive into today's stock discussion.
Hey investors, today we're diving deep into RITES Limited, the Navratna PSU that's the backbone of India's transport infrastructure. They have a massive 9,090 crore order book, but their stock is volatile, including a sudden 3.3% drop today. Why the volatility? Is this a discount opportunity or a red flag? We'll break down the financials, Concall promises, and future outlook. Stay tuned. Let's look at the numbers from the last 4 quarters. RITES is a story of great profitability but slow top-line growth. 1. Profitability is excellent. Look at this table. Their PAT profit after tax is robust, with Q4 FY25 PAT up 9% year-over-year. This is thanks to their high-margin business model. 2. Revenue problem. The issue? Revenue has been flat or slightly subdued. The market wants to see that huge order book turn into cash, but that conversion has been slow. Their core EBITDA margin remains strong at around 30%, primarily driven by their core segment. Management knows execution is the key. In their recent con calls, they laid out 3 clear pillars for future growth. Pillar 1. High margin consultancy. This is their bread and butter, making up 34% of their order book. It's stable, high margin revenue, but it won't drive exponential growth. Pillar 2. Turnkey project acceleration. This is where the revenue burst will come from. 46% of the order book is turnkey. The management is now focused on accelerating execution and expects a major ramp-up starting from Q4 FY26. This promise is the main catalyst for the stock. Pillar 3. The export push. RITES has secured key orders in Africa and Southeast Asia, totaling 1,541 crore rupees in exports. They are actively seeking new financing structures for African nations to buy retrofitted locomotives. This high-margin export segment is expected to be a major revenue contributor starting in Q2 fiscal year 26. Now, let's address today's and recent decline. Why did RITES stock drop over 3% today? 1. Technical correction. After a long run-up, a stock trading at a premium is prone to profit booking. Short-term traders saw the price break a key support level, triggering more selling. 2. The FII/DII meet. Concern, importantly, the cancellation of a high-profile meet with foreign and domestic institutional investors last week created a flicker of negative sentiment. The market hates uncertainty and this acted as a trigger for selling. 3. Valuation. Premium. RITES currently trades at a PE ratio around 27 times, significantly higher than its peer, Engineers India EIL, which is closer to 20 times. This premium is warranted by RITES' higher margin, but it makes the stock sensitive to news. So what's the final verdict? RITES is an excellent long-term infrastructure play, but with a short-term execution risk. The thesis: you are investing in a company with a strong Navratna status, an incredibly sticky 30% plus margin business in consultancy, and 9,090 crore rupees in revenue visibility. Brokerages like Axis Securities have a buy rating with a target of 271 rupees. The risk? If the turnkey and export execution delays continue past the promised Q4 FY26 timeline, the stock could remain range-bound. Final takeaway. RITES is a buy on dips for investors with a 1 to 2 year horizon, patiently waiting for the execution promised in the con calls. What are your thoughts on RITES? Will the company finally convert its order book? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed stock analysis.
That's all for today's market update. If you gained valuable insights, please consider liking this video. For continuous access to our expert analysis on Indian share market results and announcements, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support by sharing this video with your network is also highly valued. Thank you for tuning in.